2020 Buick Envision. With less than 29,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, heated rear seats, tinted windows, HID headlights. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.